Hola, Mrs. Bus here with instructions for today. Today we are going to finish our chapter 2B. And for that, we are not going to have a warm-up. You just report your attendance. There's no warm-up today. We're going to get, as soon as we meet, we're going to start working on this. We have our last quiz for the chapter 2B. And you're going to complete it right here. And then we have our final exam for the chapter 2B. And I added here the link to the video that you need for the test, for the final exam, in case that it doesn't work in the form as usual. Let's go with the quiz so I can explain you what to do. I did a little different this time. Just put in the first part, just the name. And we go to the Prueba 2B-3. So this is your quiz 2B-3. You're going to select the form for ver estar, and you're going to complete the sentence. So this is conversations that you hear, and then you have the options of which one you need to do to complete, which one you need to select to complete. So you have the options right here. You don't have to type them. You just select and click on the one that you think is the right one. You have 20 of those. Sorry, 19. I went back to answer so I can move to the next section. I answer randomly, so these are not the answers. Then we have the Prueba 2B-4. And in this one, you just need to put the plural nouns and articles. So what you need to do is follow like the example here. I'm giving you a word in singular with its singular article and the singular noun, and then you change to the plural article and the plural noun. You need to keep in mind if the article is a definite article or indefinite article, and if it's masculine or it's feminine. So for example, I give you this one. This is in singular. You see that the article is feminine and the noun of course is feminine, and then you have to make the feminine article in plural for this, and then apply the rules that you know for plurals for this one. So you need to complete that. You just need to type the answer, like for this one would be los libros. That's for the example right here, el libro, los libros, and that's all you type. You do all in lowercase. I put it right here. Do not put a period and do not put extra spaces so you don't get it wrong. So that's all for your two quizzes that are in one quiz for today. And we complete our quizzes for this chapter 2B. Now let's go to the final assessment. So the final assessment is similar to the one we have for chapter 2A. In this one, you're going to write sentences with I to say how many of each item there are in the classroom. I just put the picture there. You type your answer right here. And I have to grade that manually, so it's not going to give you those 40 points because I had to grade it. So you're going to miss 40 points from your final score, and you know that that goes for that, plus 5 points for your name. So that's 45 points that you can be below the grade, and you will know that it's just because I haven't graded. Now, in this one, you are going to select what goes here. So this is for verb estar. So you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Read the conversation. What goes here? What goes here? What goes here? And so on. And then you're going to choose. You're going to choose among the options. You're going to choose what goes to number 1 to complete this sentence. And then you go to the next one. For number 2. Number 2 is right here. So you see the conversation, which one will go there. So I think that's very simple. Then you have part C. In part C, this is all vocabulary and grammar. So in part C, you have a picture. You're familiar with this. You are going to tell me where the things are located. So you just, I'm giving you the object, the item. You find the item in the picture, and then you tell me where it is located. But I'll give you also in relation with what, in relation to what. So where is the computer in relation to the desk? So there is only one option on how to answer. Please be sure that you type the one that is right. Here's the example. It's la bandera in relation to el reloj. So here is la bandera, here is el reloj, and it says la bandera está debajo del reloj. La bandera está debajo del reloj. Okay, and you're gonna answer this. These are 5 questions. And then we go to the next one. That is listening. You're going to read the prompt. Here I put this form. That's the only way that I found that we could answer. So I put that form there. When you go to the form, this is what you have. So you make your copy, like we did with that activity. You make your copy. You put your name on your copy. And now that you have your copy, you can type your answers. So here is, make a copy of the document, change the share settings. Oh yeah, don't forget to change the share settings so I can see it. And then you are going to complete there. Anyone, the unit is done. Then you're going to complete this. It says use a different color. So choose a different color right here to answer. And then you're going to put whatever they tell you. Oh, that's not the color. This is the color. So you're going to put here the word. Okay, it's not helping. Okay, well, you change the color. It's not cooperating. Okay, let's do it right. I'm just in a rush. So you put what you hear and you gotta change the color. You can even type it in black first and then just change the color and it's gonna change it. This one doesn't need this. Okay, so you complete this and then you copy this link, and this link you're going to submit on Canvas. On Canvas. It's not published yet. So you click submit, but you're gonna have to submit 2 links. So do not submit, just keep it there until you complete the other link. Okay, you see I put it here, important. You need to submit 2 links on Canvas for this test. One for listening, escuchar, and one for speaking, hablar. So we're gonna say that one's for escuchar, that is this one, and then the one for hablar. You play this to complete this document. This one is the reading part. I put a text here for the reading, and you are going to answer these questions based on what you read. So just go here, 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 here. You have 10 questions based on that little reading that you have there. And part C, you are going to write. So this is the writing part. You have to write 5 questions. 5 questions for a survey that you're going to do. You have to create the questions. So read the prompt, create the questions, and I gave you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I had to grade these ones too. So that's 50 more points that I had to give you. So that's 95 points, I think. And then hablar. In hablar, you're going to submit another link. You already know how to do. You go to the discussion, create the discussion, record there, and then you send me the link for the recording. This is individual. You're going to record by yourself. Just make the recording. If you have questions, please ask me. If you don't remember how to do it or you don't know how to do it, ask me and I will help you. So once you have the link for your discussion that you already have, you post it and it gives you a link. You get that link and this link, and you submit both links right here. Right here. So you just paste them there. Click enter when you paste your link, so it's easier just to go and click to open it. And then you put your 2 links there. Does the 2 links were the same, but and then submit assignment. So I will get all that for your final assessment. If you have any question, please ask me. We're going to be connected all the class. We're going to be working on this all the class really quietly. No jokes, no comments, no, this is the right answer because, well, everybody's going to be connected and that would be like cheating. So if you have a question, let me know and I'll find a way how to answer your question individually. I'll see you in class. Adios.